Good afternoon, Dr. Javidi. Here is the video that I created for you that we discussed last week. I want to quickly go over this as fast as I can to show you areas on your main site here, as well as the search engine optimization aspect that can help you rank. First of all, what I'm noticing here is that your responsive design is actually more user-friendly than the desktop design. So when I pull this page up, your website, on a cell phone, it is a lot easier to scroll through and to read and understand what is being communicated. But when I pull it up here on the desktop, there's a lot of busyness. There's a lot of things to look at. I'm not sure what to focus on. Things are being cut off at the bottom. There's just too much up here, and I'm not sure where to go. So that's one thing that we want to consider in fixing and helping to streamline your page on all platforms. And so, for example, if you scroll down just really quickly, areas like this, it needs a header. You want to know exactly what we're looking at here. This little section right here is perfect. It's got a header, a tagline, and some content. You would actually want to input a little bit more content here and make the font a little smaller so that you can add more content. The content is not so much for the user as it is for Google to know what you are about. So we just want to streamline and have everything, a little bit more organized. Right here, it looks like you have two titles and just a very small bit of content. You want more content. In order for Google to rank you have to have at least 1,500 words on this first page. And when I measured, you only have about 550. So right here, you would want a title, and you actually don't even need these on the front page because you have access to them right here. But you definitely want an introduction to what these are. And then when you look at it, this title is at the bottom of the page here. And it's just not streamlined. You'll want this image to be smaller so that you can actually have all of this on one page. I think this goes to this here. You would want it all on one page so it's viewable together. And so these are just some things that we could actually fix and implement on the first page that would enable a user to want to keep scrolling. Instead of not being sure where to go, what connects with what. So that's just at first glance. But in regards to search engine optimization, I pulled your site through a tool that we use called Ahrefs. And now this shows you how you are ranking with certain keywords. And what you'll see, first of all, is your UR and DR rating. The UR rank shows how much Google trusts your URL, and the DR is how powerful your domain is. So here you'll see the amount of keywords that you are ranking for and how much traffic they are bringing into your company. So I also pulled up your competitor. You said it was Police One Academy. And I just want to first off show you how streamlined their front page is. Everything is squared off. You can see exactly what we need to look at. It's streamlined up here, not busy. Each section has its own page. And so this is really what we want to shoot for, so we know what we're looking at when we scroll through your site. And so I took them also through Ahrefs. And as you can see, they have a little bit more popularity among Google, and their domain is a little bit more powerful. But take a look at how many keywords they are ranking for. Okay, now I wanted to compare their keywords to your keywords, and look how much traffic it's bringing in, 10,000. I didn't know if you got to see it, but yours was only bringing in 93 a month. So let's just take a look at your keywords, first of all, the keywords that you are ranking for. So at the top here we have Ray Nash, Dr. Javidi, Sheriff Ray Nash, ICLD. Well, this is showing you how much people are searching for that a month. Okay, so let's just scroll down. You got 60, 30, 20, 30, 60, 10, 50, 80, and these are mostly people that you have as keywords over here for individuals to search on Google. Now, when we pull Police One Academy up and take a look at their keywords, they have such thing as, of course, Police One Academy. That is their name. But Police Academy here, that's a general term, and it's bringing in 60,000 searches a month. This is something that you would want to have as a keyword on your page. Law enforcement training, online law enforcement training, law enforcement training. These are powerful keywords that are bringing high search results. Online police training, Police One training. This is what you will want to have in your content on your first page so that when people are searching for services that you provide, they're finding these things. Okay? So, let's just go back real quick. And take a look at your search words again. Ray Nash, Mitch DeViti, St. John's, Richard Conroy. I don't think nationally people are going to be searching for these. Even in different regions, people may not be searching for these particular people. So that is definitely something that we want to work on, is getting the proper keywords on your front page to enable you to rank. So just to make this not too long, I want to end it right there and show you just a little bit of what I saw when searching through your site and searching through your optimization and how we can better help you. So I thank you for your time, Dr. Javidi, and I also want to say that it's much easier to rank locally in a specific municipality than it is to rank nationally. Ranking nationally would take some time, but you could, what is a consideration is having links to corresponding cities on your page. At the bottom, say you want to, you want to have cities such as California, Ontario, Louisiana, or some of these other places that you have had business in, or that you want to have business in. You could have links and sites so that when people in those areas are searching for your services, they can reach you. So there you have it, Dr. Javidi. I hope you liked the information that I shared with you on this video. It would be an honor to work with you and to get your site streamlined and to begin optimizing your site to rank higher on Google. Let's connect when you have a chance to go over these things, and thanks so much for reaching out. I hope to hear from you soon.